Transform your setup into a battleground with Govee's latest creation. Govee has released a special edition lighting kit based on the cyber stylings and futuristic motifs of acclaimed sci-fi series Neon Genesis Evangelion. Let's dig in and see how these lights can elevate the ambience of your space with their unique design and stunning effects. As always, deal links and chapter time codes are listed in the description below.
Boom! That's one. Boom! And there's number two. Boom! And there's number three. Included in this special edition kit are light bars, interchangeable wall lights, and Y lights. There's box numero uno. Look at this caution tape we got here. Quite the unboxing experience. Sort of like this holographic 3D styling, magnetic pullback going on. Oh yeah, Govee Evangelion top secret information. What do we got in this little pamphlet here? We got this sort of top secret card here. QR code can be only activated once. Scan to activate special lighting effects. So we're looking at box number one. I gotta say, the attention to detail in the packaging inside, it really sort of sets the stage for what's to come. Wow. Wow, everything's super detailed. These little connector parts right here. Unboxing experience like no other so far. Box number two, these are the gaming light bars, that iconic green and purple. Got again, same little booklet that came in box one. Very, very cool. Check that out, check that one out. I love how they have this like door opening. Look at these bad boys. That's pretty cool. Really liking the green and purple theme going on here. So this box isn't branded, but I'm to understand these are also a new product from Govee. It looks like it goes with the set. Geometric pattern decals on there. Okay, here we go, here we go. Whoa, these are probably the coolest Govee wall lights I've seen. This is Govee Cybernetics there at the corner. Just magnetically kind of clips on there. Very nice.
Alrighty, let's assemble and power on all the lights for a closer look and comparison, starting with the gaming light bars. The gaming light bars come with this really cool base piece, which allows you to essentially change the settings, control the brightness, color, or cycle through different modes. You can use them for their front-facing pattern light diffusion, or you can use them as they're meant to be used, pointed at a wall to light up a wall. They also have a sound reactivity mode, which you can actually use the included audio adapter to plug your audio signal into the light bars directly. Moving on to the Y lights now. Included in the kit is 5 pieces, which allows you to customize and build out your pattern. They connect together with the included connectors. One side slides in, the other snaps into place, but you can most definitely expand and connect more with extension pieces if you want to buy them. They look really nice with both diffused backlighting and defined front lighting to go along with their futuristic purple paint job. Lastly, we have what I like to call the Cyber Lights, which I unboxed as both the EVA branded version as well as the unbranded version. The main differences with the EVA edition being the purple themed front designs and decals, as well as coming with 6 pieces versus 3, and of course the EVA specific scene modes, which I'll showcase a bit later. However, these are indeed both the same lights at their core, expandable and interchangeable with each other. Similar to the Y lights, they snap together with the included connectors, allowing you to customize and build out your pattern once again. The lights are quite intricate in their design with a mesmerizing effect, definitely pushing the limits of futuristic cyber lighting style in a ready-to-go lighting kit. Okay, so to get the special Evangelion scene effects, you're gonna go to the little settings box up here, hit scan QR code, then you're gonna scan your unique QR code they included with the package. You're gonna hit register, you'll have this screen pop up, and now under scene mode, you'll recognize a new category with all these special effects. Angel Attack, AT Field, Berserk, Synchro, Departure, EVA Theme 0, EVA Theme 1, EVA Theme 2, Okay, so here we have all 3 different lights now connected and turned on, each displaying one of these special lighting effects that come included with the EVANGELION Special Edition pack. We see these hex panels, which have this really nice sort of front lighting here, but they also have diffused back lighting to light up the back of your wall or wherever you're gonna put them. We have the light bars, really nice if you wanna have them front facing or if you want to face them against a wall to bounce the light and use them for gaming or sound. As we move into perhaps my favorite of the 3 new lights we see here is the Cyber lights with the detachable sort of transparent faceplate. They are super cool, super unique, something I haven't seen from Govee yet. We can see we have the actual pattern on the light lighting up, as well as this sort of neon looking strip on the front as well. Really cool idea. Really like to see Govee innovating here. Even the connector piece here lights up to match everything. Really, really cool. Really like to see that. Really like all the fine details they put in these lights. So with these lights, you can absolutely build out and customize your pattern. I just wanted to show them all side by side. Now I'm gonna try to find a spot for them and add them into the space.
The Govee EVANGELION lights are packed with inspiration from this series that make up its unique design stylings, where the elevated L-shaped lighting strips add that futuristic and technological vibe. The purple and green color scheme is a classic one that I constantly use and love, and is also a nod to the show's theme and colors. The craftsmanship here is really top notch, guys. They use a special in-molding label printing process, I'm told, to create these sort of intricate surface textures. The dual layered construction is futuristic and stylish, with dynamic backlighting and an elevated strip of diffused light. This gives the lighting a 3-dimensional effect that looks amazing from any angle. It's something special that I haven't personally seen before, but pretty cool that they took something and they collabed on it, and I feel can fit anyone wanting to add some futuristic flair or cyberpunk type stylings. The design details, customization options, and stunning effects make these lights a fantastic addition to any gaming setup, giving their universal appeal and creating that futuristic vibe. If you're looking to further enhance your setup, perhaps think about adding in some Govee light bar lamps with their unique minimalist design that can fit any space. I've just done a video showcasing the different floor lamps Govee has to offer, so go ahead and give that a click, and I'll see you over in that video if you haven't already.